So one of the biggest meme in the world undeniably is PEPE. And also in crypto, we have the meme coin narrative, which is the biggest narrative right now. And one of the biggest meme coins is PEPE. You can see right here the market cap is $8 billion and the price is $0.000019, which seems like the price is really low and it could go to $1, $2. But if you are smart, you are looking at the market cap, you value coins by their market cap. That's how you understand how valuable it is and how much the potential is. But why I'm bullish on PEPE is because, first of all the circulating tokens are basically in the circulation, which means there is nothing to unlock, which means there are no secret developers, no secret team that can dump 1%, 2%, 3% tokens on you. And PEPE right now, I think, is top 2, top 3 meme in the world. There are many memes that come and go, but I think PEPE is still one of the top 3, at least, strongest memes in the world. And if we are looking at the price and market cap, I think this crypto could do at least 5x, maybe even 10x, looking at the fact that the meme coin narrative is really huge and PEPE is the biggest meme coin. In my opinion, it is much bigger than Doge. Although Dogecoin is the oldest meme coin and it has the power of Elon Musk, I think PEPE could be a great competition to Doge. It might come close. My personal opinion that it could do 5x, 10x max this bull run. The fact that it will go up is undeniable, and this video is not a financial advice, but I think the fact that it will go up is still undeniable. And if you're looking at the chart, you can see that it basically was created in 2023, basically in deep bear market, but the price still pumped. No one thought that it will go so much high because you can see it was around $400 million, but it pumped to 8 billion, which is really big pump. And looking at the fact that we are still not in a peak euphoria, I think most of the top 100 projects will do 10x at least. If you are looking at smaller market caps, it is much riskier, but you can get bigger returns of your investment if you are doing your research and checking all the projects that are still building. But still, I think one of the safest investments in crypto are the biggest market cap plays. Although crypto is still really risky, but I think if you compare to smaller market caps, it is much safer to invest in these big ones. That's why if you want to play safe, reasonably safe, I would basically invest myself, in my opinion. I would invest in PEPE, in Dogecoin, in Bank. Bank is I think the biggest on Solana. I think Shiba Inu will most likely go down because I don't think there is a strong narrative about Shiba Inu. I doubt that Elon Musk will still talk about Shiba. He might talk about Dogecoin, but in my opinion, Shiba is the one that will go the most riskiest play right now. I think you should do your research, check out the newest memes, most definitely on Solana. There are many meme coins on base chain. I think base meme coins are the most undervalued. But again, if you look for the safest option, PEPE is the one. PEPE is the biggest meme. That's why I think PEPE is definitely the forever coin on crypto market cap. On CoinGecko, you can see right now it has the place number 19th. And if we are looking at the community is really strong, many strong holders. And if the price right now is $0.000020, I think it could definitely lose 1-0 and go to $0.0020. One of the best facts about this meme coin and meme is that it will never stop. I think as long as humans keep living, this meme will be one of the biggest ones, and it will get only bigger because, I don't know, the PEPE has that swag, has that style, and I think it is the meme forever. There are many memes that are basically dying, like the rage face. There are many memes that have died, and they might come back, but again, I think PEPE hasn't died. And in the long term, I think PEPE has a big opportunity to dethrone the Doge. And one more fact about PEPE is that you can buy it on cheap chains, not only on Ethereum. You can buy it on BNB, on Arbitrum, where you can pay like 0 to 10 cent fees for buying it and swapping. But if you want to buy PEPE on centralized exchanges, you can buy it on Bybit. And if you want to start trading on Bybit, you can use my referral code to get a big bonus for trading. You can get up to $3,000 for trading. That's why if you haven't signed up, you can use my referral code. Also, I have all the links in the description, all the exchanges where you can buy the PEPE coin, so you know how to search. So all the links are in the description and in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.